How's it going, guys? It's Carl Quinn here, and I'm with my my sex pretty cat. Anyway, I don't even know like what to do with him. Like, he just gets everywhere, and
Again.
I'm sorry, no, I can't do it again. He sounds like he's hurt. I love you, anyway. I love you. Say hello to the camera. Hello. Hello. Dickhead. Oh, what's that? There's enemies. Oh, okay. He's like, no. No. Oh shit! Alright, calm down. Wait. Oh no, he's out. Just don't eat my ear. He's look. He's like, prick. Right, we'll end it there. Thank you for watching, guys. It's been Machine Gun Kitty, and in a bit, bye.
Enemies.
Huh?
There's enemies.
There's enemies, Leeway. Look, enemies, quick. Oh, he really doesn't want to do it. He fucking hates it. Hang on, wait. I'll try it this way. Leeway, enemies. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.